Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe today. So I wanted to just do a quick video and address some, I got a lot of questions about a video I did just recently, and there was an Afghan in the background and people want to know, stuff about it, and some people were asking me if I had a tutorial or whatnot. First off, I don't have a tutorial for this hat. This hat was made on the knitting machine by my husband. He is the knitting machine hat making master nowadays. He just knits hats up on that knitting machine non-stop. Alright, so this Afghan, I'll tell you a little bit about it. This was supposed to, it was folded up on the back of my shelf, one of my videos, and people were kind of wondering about it. And some of you will know because some of you participated in it. So I'm going to say it was probably about 4 years ago, maybe, something like that. Any of my subscribers that wanted to participate could. They sent me a square, and they could make their square any way they wanted to. So, and then, yes, I still see people's, and then they put their name on them, right? I still see people's names on these that are still subscribed to me. Some of them may not be subscribed anymore, but it's very, very big. So they sent me the square. I sewed them together, and a single crochet bordered around it, right? So I mean, it's huge. It would definitely fit a king size bed, probably bigger than that. Probably way bigger than that. I'll just give you a quick little show here, since I'm not very tall. Maybe you guys, if you guys participated, you'll see your square on here. And you see how some people sewed their names, and some people just put their names on paper. Well, what we did was, I'll tell you what we did as soon as I kind of show you it. It's super cool. Everybody did an awesome job on it, and some people did simple squares. Some people did squares to represent where they come from, or just their favorite square in general that they wanted. Anyways, it's big. It's beautiful. Remarkable. So this is what we did. So like I said, it was about 4 years ago. Everybody, I said if you wanted to participate, you could send me in a square. I think I gave a size measurement, maybe, I can't remember, of anything that you wanted, made out of any yarn that you wanted. It could represent you, or it could just be a simple square. I didn't care. And then I gave a deadline, and then once I got here, I sewed it together, put the single crochet border on it, and then yes, I told them if they could put their name on it, that'd be awesome. That way I would always know who the square came from. And what we did was then is I raffled it off. So I could donate 100% of the proceeds. I had a raffle for it, so everybody got I had a raffle, right? And then 100% of the proceeds went to my local animal shelter. So we made $2,500 back then. Yeah, $2,500 I think is what it was. And there's a video of that, me giving it to the local animal shelter. I've done that a couple times, had animal shelter thingamajigs, but this one was for the blanket. And so, and then I chose the winner at random. Well, the winner, the person that won, told me to keep it. She said that it belonged to me, because it was very, very touching that she let me keep it. And I'm very thankful that she did. And I'm also very thankful that we're able to raise $2,500 for my local animal shelter. So if you look that video up on my channel, you'll see that lady. She was very happy that she got that. So that is just a little bit of, I wanted to tell you guys about this because a lot of people was asking, hey, do you have a tutorial for that blanket, or where that blanket came from, because they saw it laying back there. I just had it in a box because I didn't want it to get messed up, and for 4 years it was sitting in a box. And I've been cleaning out this room since we don't live here anymore, and I decided that I would display it in here. I'm not sure where yet. I think I will probably put it on a quilt rack or something like that. Maybe in the corner. Some of these names that people have on here, just, you know, on paper, I'll probably keep the paper, and then put their name on there some other way so it can't come off, because some of the paper is still, you know, just barely hanging on, and I don't want to lose that. I don't want to lose who gave me what square. But we'll see, you know, I can always make a collage out of everybody's name. But some people actually did sew their names onto them. Like this. So, and then some people just tied them on. And there's my friend Linda. Linda! Hi, Linda. Guys, these guys are all my friends. This is the first time I really, like, looked at the names on it since I've got it out. A lot of these people are still subscribed to me. It's great. So it means it meant so much to me. Brenda, all these people, yeah, Donna. I still see them commenting on my videos. Most of them. Some of them I think are maybe not. You know, they might have moved on, or because it's been years, maybe they just found other channels. But I still cherish what they sent to me, you know, and I will always keep it. And it went to a good cause, and I'm forever thankful to the winner who let me keep it. And people were asking me if I would do it. I explained in the video a little bit of what I did, but not about the animal shelter part or anything. People asked me if I would do that again sometime. I might one day, but it won't be for a while, because I really, sewing the squares together is like the worst thing, I think. And for me, in crochet, sewing squares together is something I really do not like to do. Yeah, that's a lot of squares. It would probably be a lot more now than it was back then. So, but you know, it's not off the table to do something like that, especially if I can get money to my local animal shelter or some type of animal organization. I'll do anything I can do for that, because, you know, that's what I usually, that's my organization of choice, or my charity of choice is always going to be for the welfare of animals. So, you know, I'm always up for ideas. If you guys have anything in the comments that you think that I could do to raise some money to a local animal shelter, you know, I do have my Lion Brand yarn that's coming out in September. It's September, around September. It's going to be the winter release yarn, or fall release yarn. That's 100% of my proceeds on that will be going to something. It's going to be going to the animals. So we'll be taking no profit from that, but something we can do together, maybe, if you guys can think of anything. I'm always up for it, you know, to better the animal situation. You know, they depend on us. They're helpless without us. So yeah, maybe something that doesn't involve me sewing squares together. If not, though, I always encourage everybody, if you could maybe support your local animal shelter, because people ask me all the time what my address is. I don't have a P.O. box anymore, so nobody can send me anything, because I don't want anything from anybody. I just want you to watch my videos. I always say, please donate to your local animal shelter instead. You can give it a bag of dog food, cat food, dog toy, cat toy. You can crochet. Some of them animal shelters take crochet blankets, crochet animal toys, stuff like that. So bleach. Some of them take, you know, bleach and cleaners. You can always contact them and see what they need. That's something that you could do for me, in a way to say thank you. That's only for those that ask for my address, because they have something to send me. You don't have to send me anything. Take the money that you would pay for shipping and send it to your local animal shelter, because there's nothing that I need, but the animals need it way more than me. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to give you a little history on that blanket. A lot of people are asking, and I'm always up for ideas. I'm always that we can raise money for animal shelters too. So if you have anything that doesn't involve me sewing squares together, please. If you have anything in the comment, you can let me know in the comment section. All right, so yep, that's the history of that blanket. As soon as I get a quilt rack, I'll probably put it maybe over there in the corner or over there somewhere to display it. It needs to be displayed. It's been in the box way too long, so it's time for it to come out. Thanks, everybody. Bye, guys. Love y'all, okay? Stay safe.